Once upon a time, in a city, there was a rich man whose name was Kalu. People called him Kalu Seth. Kalu Seth was hardworking and very rich man. He was capable to buy off all city, but he did not help anyone in his whole life. He was very proud of his bank of balance. He spent his whole life in earning money. He was so busy in earning money that he did not even thought that he is old now. He never spent a happy moment with his family, never enjoyed. One day, Yamraj knocked his door and said, "Your time is over. Now you have to come with me." Kalu sat shocked and replied, "Maharaj Yamraj, I have not lived my life yet. I was so busy in my work and I want some time to utilize my wealth, which I have earned whole life through hard work." Yamraj said, "No, I cannot give you more time. It is limited and I cannot extend the writing time at will." Kalu said, "Look, I have a lot of money. I will give you half of money. Will you give me 2 years more year?" Yamraj said, "No, it is not possible." Kalu said, "Okay, I will give you 90% of money. Will you give me at least 2 months?" Yamraj said, "No." Kalu said, "Okay, I will give you all my property. Can I get 1 hour in return?" Yamraj said, "You cannot buy time with your money." Finally, Kalu said, "Give me a few minutes. I want to write a letter. You can accept this as a last wish." Yamraj agreed on this. Kalu sent a message for everyone in his city through a letter. Message was, "Give importance to your time and life. Live in the present, and working hard is a good thing, but never forget to live your life. Money cannot buy time at any cost. It cannot buy your past. The time is that passes will never come. Time is precious. Don't waste it. Time is most valuable of the things that man spends." So, in a last, I will share with you, time is money. Don't waste it. Don't waste it. Don't waste it.